Mrs. walk down the street.
Mish what?
Mrs. walk down the street.
Oh, Mish walks across the street?
She did.
She did. Do we like that?
No.
No, we don't. It's not safe.
She'll come back later.
She'll come back later? We hope.
She's in a wood.
She's what?
In a wood.
In the woods?
Yeah.
Mhm.
That happened to Friday.
That happened to Friday?
Sometimes.
Oh. Does Friday go across the street?
Sometimes.
Oh. I didn't know that. Have you seen her go across the street?
Sometimes.
Oh.
It's so keeping the guy safe. This mouse keeping the mouse safe.
Oh, that mouse is keeping Veggie Mouse safe?
Yeah.
Oh, from what?
A dinosaur.
Oh, dinosaurs. Where are the dinosaurs?
Down here. Down here.
Oh. Are dinosaurs scary?
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah.
They're big and scary?
Yeah. The mouse I see myself dinosaur.
Oh, okay. That's a good spot.
I'm giving you a one first later.
Oh.
This is big.
Big?
This is one of the dinosaurs.
That one.